Imagine this. Your heart's racing, your mind's spinning, and the walls feel like they're closing in. But what if I told you there's a simple, almost magical way to calm it all down? A method you carry with you every day, your breath. Today, we're unlocking the power of breathing. In just a few minutes, you'll learn proven techniques to overcome anxiety, tools you can use anytime, anywhere, to reset your mind and reclaim your peace. Breathing is something we do without thinking. But did you know that by simply controlling the way we breathe, we can directly influence our stress levels? When anxiety strikes, our breathing becomes shallow and rapid. But by switching to deep, controlled breathing, we signal to our brain that we are safe, turning off that fight or flight response. Think of it like a switch. Right now, I'm going to show you how to flip that switch. How to transform panic into calm with just a few deep breaths. Let's start with one of my personal favorites, the 4-7-8 breathing technique. It's simple, powerful, and can be done anywhere. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds, hold that breath for 7 seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. Repeat this 4 times. As you practice, notice how your heartbeat slows down and your mind becomes quieter. This technique not only calms your body, but also refocuses your thoughts, pulling you away from the spiral of anxiety. Now, let's talk about box breathing, a favorite among high-performance professionals like Navy SEALs. When the pressure's on, they use this method to stay calm and sharp. Imagine drawing a box in your mind. Inhale for 4 seconds as you trace one side. Hold for 4 seconds as you trace the top. Exhale for 4 seconds along the other side, and hold again for 4 seconds to complete the box. After a few rounds, you'll notice a shift in your focus and a drop in anxiety levels. It's like hitting the pause button in your mind, allowing you to regroup and reset. For our last technique, we're going to tap into the body's natural relaxation system with diaphragmatic breathing, or as some call it, belly breathing. This technique is perfect for reducing anxiety and even chronic stress. As you inhale deeply through your nose, let your belly rise while keeping your chest still. Exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling your belly fall. This method encourages deep relaxation by engaging the diaphragm and stimulating the body's parasympathetic nervous system, the part responsible for calming you down. It's perfect when anxiety feels overwhelming. So what's the takeaway? Each of these techniques, 4-7-8 breathing, box breathing, and diaphragmatic breathing, are incredibly effective tools for managing anxiety. The key is to practice them regularly, so they become second nature when you need them most. Whether you're facing a stressful exam, a difficult conversation, or just the daily grind, these breathing exercises can help you regain control and calm your mind. Anxiety doesn't have to dominate your life. With just a few minutes of focused breathing, you can change your emotional state, reduce stress, and regain clarity. So the next time you feel anxiety creeping in, take a deep breath. And remember, you've got the power to calm yourself, right in your lungs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on overcoming anxiety and living a healthier, calmer life. Take a deep breath. You've got this. See you in the next video.